Hello, in this video I will show you how you can set photo as always on display on OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all you have to open the settings, from here go to wallpapers and style and open always on display. Now you have to select classic mode, and from here you can find in the personalize section you can find text and image. Open it and select photo that you want on your always on display. So now open it and click this check mark in the top right corner, and here you are able to adjust rounded corners and also make image blur. Also you can enter text over here, but you have no need to do this, and also change the text color. So when it's done, click apply, and now let's check how it looks like. As you can see, I have this picture on my always on display. So that's all, thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.